To enable camera backlight effect on POCO X8 Pro, you have to open the settings. Now you will have to scroll all the way down into the additional settings, and here you have to go for backlight effects. Now when you take a look, you can just turn it on only when the screen is face down, and here you can just customize it. So for example, you can enable this for almost every notification. You can also enable this camera status indicator, so it will turn on the backlight when taking timed or the burst shots. So we can check if it works. Now I'm here in the camera, I'm clicking and holding the shutter button. There we go, and as you can see, it won't turn on. Whoa, that's strange, because as you can see, I just enable it, but for some reason it's not working properly, even though that I even select the color. So I will try to find some other information about this one, because probably it's some kind of the bug, but you can also tell me in the comments how it looks for you, or maybe I have to also enable it here. Now the camera is not even available here. So it looks like for me it's just not working properly, but definitely let me know in the comments if you have the same problem here. And yeah, this is it. Now the quick information for you. Thanks for watching.